Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Sparkline template at SharePointDashboards.com. This template lets you have a simple line chart that displays next to SharePoint list records. This is suitable for a type of list record where you have a series of numeric values for each of the records in the SharePoint list. In the example I have here, I've got some data by month. So I have some columns for that, the January, February, March, etc. The line chart that I'm going to show is going to be in this column, which I called Sparkline. For that column, you can just use a simple text field. That's what I have here, and you can see it just has the word Sparkline. That's going to be replaced with the simple line chart. The concept here is basically a simplified line chart where there's no key or markers or anything. It's just a quick visual indicator corresponding to your data. So when you go to the template screen, the first thing you should do is check out some of the theme options that'll give you some ideas on different things that you might do. You can set the colors and background, border, width, height, all of those things according to whatever format that you think looks best. And then what I need to do is go ahead and enter those field names because the template needs to reference those. So once again, I have my number data in these fields that I have here for the months. In this case, you could use any name number columns that you want. So I need to fill those in down here where it says SharePoint field names. Okay, and then now I'm ready to copy the template. So I just click the button and then follow the instructions on screen, then click OK. And then I can come over to this screen and I'm going to do column formatting. So I go to the column header, column settings, format this column, advanced mode, and then I'm going to replace that code with my template code. Okay, so there is a visual representation of my data. Now at this point I can tweak that according to what I want. One thing you need to adjust, you can grab the handle on the right side of the column header to make sure that you've provided enough room for your chart. And if you want to make adjustments, it's very easy to do that. So I can go back into the column settings, format this column, and then if I maybe want to tweak the colors or something like that, I can just come into these settings and we'll go for a different background color. And let's go for a different fill color as well. All right, so for this one, I'm going to do orange. And then maybe I want to make it slightly shorter and slightly narrower. However you want it to look. Just keep tweaking your settings. This preview screen will adjust, so you're going to see exactly what you're going to get. And then once you're ready, you can click copy template and then come back over to SharePoint and just paste over that code and it will immediately replace and there's my updated Sparkline column. This is a Pro template. This is part of the Pro subscription package, which you can get at SharePointDashboards.com. That includes all of the templates. There are 102 templates. And this is closely related to the line chart charting template. So if you look through the templates, you'll see that there are many charting options that you can select from. If you're new to this tool, you can sign up for a free light account, which includes 20 templates so that you can begin trying out this tool set at SharePointDashboards.com. Hope that helps. Good luck.